Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. We're camping past weekend, so I'm going to do a bit of moto camping. We're due to have a nice weekend weather wise, although I've just been caught in a horrendous downpour. So I'm heading off out up into my favourite place, North Yorkshire. The campsite's up near Saltburn by the sea. But it'll be a good base camp for me to get out and do some of the lesser travelled routes around the North Yorkshire moors. I'm still editing videos from our summer tour, the up north and left a bit tour, so by the time I upload this video all the others should have been up. If you like my content and my videos, consider subscribing to the channel, it does help, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you receive notifications of when I put new videos up. So I'm on my own for this weekend. Mrs. Hoff is having a weekend off, although her weekends off usually entail looking after grandchildren, doing housework and things like that. I must say the bike performed absolutely superb on the summer tour, still performs superb now. So I've just got into the North Yorkshire Moors National Park. Got about an hour's ride left till I get to the campsite. I think this will bring me into Huttonley Hole, and then I should go via Blakey Ridge. Beautiful little village this. Come here quite a lot. There's a fantastic chocolatier's shop here. It's quite a steep climb up onto this ridge, but the GoPro, because it levels everything off, you can't see how steep it actually is. And you've got to keep your eyes peeled for the sheep as well. Another encounter with a tractor. Look at the views there, absolutely stunning. This is what I love about North Yorkshire. Come on, bugger off. Come on, little pheasants. Let's be having you. Look at that. No matter how many times I come and ride on these moors, I always find a different route. It always has something different. First time I've rode on this track and path. Going to be a steep one. This is Blakey Bank. Yeah, that was quite a steep one. I'm coming towards the end of Blakey Ridge now. Some of the views are absolutely stunning. Here it is. So I've got to the campsite, got the tent up. It's a cracking little place. So bike's all unpacked. Got all the tents sorted out. I don't know if you can see it, but there we go. That's me set for a couple of days solo moto camping. Just getting my brew and tea on, and I'll be setting for the night and look at where we're going to go tomorrow.